Conversation cards. This is our fourth video on conversation cards. And we are following the rules that we've already covered in a previous video. And today, Elna has the card, which makes her the listener and me the talker.
Okay. And the relationship tip that we have is more joy in the relationship. So my first lesson question is, which of these do you relate with the most? We enjoy each other's company. We laugh often enough. We don't take things too serious. We play.
I relate with the most, the first one. We enjoy each other's company.
Okay. What are the moments in our relationship when you feel the happiest or most alive?
I feel the happiest and most alive when we can spend time together, and when I feel heard, and when I experience a connection with you.
How can we intentionally add more fun, laughter, or lightheartedness in our relationship?
I would say intentionally do more fun things together, like for instance cooking together. Like we did yesterday, we tried a new recipe, we did it together, we had fun, we did so many things, we made so many mistakes, and we still ended up with something really tasty. So I would say doing more things together, like for instance that will bring more fun into our relationship.
Oh, thanks for sharing.
And that brings us to the end of today's video. In the next video, we will use another card. And until then, remember, feeling heard creates connection.